right, so here's one of the additional problems on your notes for corporal Clemating-like terms. And I've shown you that if you did not, the right solution should be r equals negative 14/3. If you had trouble finding it, continue to watch this so that you can get an explanation for this problem. So I'm going to leave my variables on the left, my constant on the right, and I'm going to combine these two. A negative 5 plus a 2 leaves me with negative 3r. And then I'm going to add my 7 to both sides, gone from here. And so negative 3r equals 14. I'm going to divide both sides by negative 3, and r equals negative 14/3. I already went and substituted in to make sure it's correct. I'm sure you've probably done the same with yours. If you got the wrong answer, that's how you knew it was wrong. Congratulations on that. That's very important. So let's go ahead and let's look at the next one from these last three. I haven't solved this one yet, so let's figure out. You can fast forward. If you know you got it correct, you would have checked your answer so you would know if it was correct or not. So if you need to watch the video, here it is. I'm going to leave my variables to the left, move my constant term on the left to the right, which is plus 4, so I need to subtract 4, to minus 4. Okay, so I have a negative 2 over here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to combine my negative 1/2 m with my positive 3/4 m. So that's going to leave me with a 1/4 m. I'm going to multiply both sides times 4. Multiply by that reciprocal, since it's 1/4 coefficient as a variable, as a fraction, sorry. I need to multiply by its reciprocal, which is simplified to 1. That becomes a singular m, and it's a negative 8. Now I'm going to go ahead and check it. I haven't done that yet. So let's see. Negative 1/2 times negative 8 plus 4 plus 3/4 times a negative 8. And it should be the same as 2. Go ahead and pause. I'm going to pause while I check this to see if it's correct. Did it look good to you? It looked good to me, so it checks. Right, go on to the next one if you needed help with that one here. This one looks like maybe one of the simpler ones in the whole process, doesn't it? So let's look here. We've got variables to the left. I want my constants to the right. I'll need to move that variable over by subtracting 4 from both sides. I've got a 16. I have 3z plus 3z, making a 6z equal to 16. Divide by 6. And z will be equal to, let's see here, those both can chop in half, 8/3. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do a check on that one now. 3 times 8/3 plus 4 plus 3 times 8/3 should be the same as 20, and it is. It equals 20. All right, make sure you are ready with any questions you might have when there's an opportunity in class. I look forward to helping you, and I hope this was a good lesson for you. Go ahead and work on the practice.